In our first video we have showed that and how you can make a price price list in your WordPress site. Already we have made one, but when my client would like to purchase this services, just when click on this one, it is not working, but because there is no any option to pay the payments for these services. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how to add billing system in your WordPress site, in your website. Okay, click on here. Now if you I'm just going to show you that the best plugin, what is called billing plugin. Log in here, admin. If you want to add a billing system in your website, I will recommend you then WHMCS. You can use this one, whatever this plugin name WHMCS. Just go to the Google and try to find this one. This plugin is really important for you. It will help you and for automation works. Already I have installed this plugin in this product in this website. So now I'm going to log in here. Okay, if you would like to add a new products, then you can use this one. Already I have made one. I just would like to create a new group because this services is related to design. So my group should be design services, social media design. Choose your best friend, choose your plan. 100% money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with our design, okay, then save this. Okay, now this one, before adding the billing system, at first you have to add okay, now billing system, already I have added this one. I am going to billing system. Okay, where your bill will be sent. First of all, you go to the setup and then go to the payment system. Go to the payment system and currency payment gateways. In here lots of payment gateways available. Which payment gateways is best for you, then you can choose one. Okay, now I'm just going to show you that one in another video, so I'm not going to discuss about this option. Okay, already we have made a group here under the group, and we are going to create a new product. Which product will create? This one, which already we have designed. This product will be billing. So click on the others and which pages, social media design, and write the name Facebook page. Design your Facebook pages. Okay, design your Facebook pages. Okay, continue. In here three prices available. So this page is only one, but you have to create a three pages, three product in the billing system. You can write here unique design, copyright. This one I have written the some description here. Okay, then you can write here pricing system, which price you already have designed. and click on the one time and click on here. And which price, I'm just going to use this one only for $20. So just write the 20, okay, not $20, and okay, allow multiple quantities. If anyone want to order for multiple quantities, then they can be able to do it. Okay, save changes, and we have got one URL where we just go to the products. Okay, wow, we have a design. We have a create a new product. Click on here. Okay, in here you will see direct shop in cart link. Just copy this one, go to your pages, just right here, paste here and update. Now check it out. Now click on here, so it's working. Shows this one. Go to the option, next one. Okay, details, and in here we see we have a written some description here, but there is no any way to purchase this one. So how you can fix this one? Just go to the setup and product services and go to the product URL, and okay, then edit this one. Okay, now just uncheck this one and go to the pricing list and save changes. Now check it out. Wow, it's worked. Chosen already another template. So just go to our buy social marketing. Okay, go to this one and refresh this pages. It's changed already. Okay, now we are going to add for other pages also, and buy. Okay, go to the pages. Just write social media. Facebook page, design, just write design. Okay, design. Oh, edit. Check it out. Okay, already we have added the order pages. When you click on here, this isn't working, but when you click on here, this is working. Okay, now check it out, and we are going to fix this one. Order now. Duplicate product. If you think that you have a design already one pages, so you don't need to write same things again and again, but you would like to change the only price value, then you can duplicate the pages Okay, our pages should be designed for the $50, and just write design phase, design your 3 phases. Facebook, okay, design Facebook phase 3. Continue. Okay, then just change the prices, $50, then save. Okay, now go to the details and just copy this one, refresh this page, or now. Wow, we have got this one. Okay, now I'm going to add the another pages. Again, same things whatever we have did, just setup and products, services, duplicate, design Facebook 5 pages, price should be $70, and save changes. Copy this one. This is the direct shopping cart link. You can use this one or you can use this one. Okay, now I'm going to use this one only. Paste and update. Now check your pages. Okay, done it, already done. Thanks for having a problem on adding any billing system in your website, in your WordPress site, then let me know. Not only for WordPress site, this tricks only for all the websites. Which website and where website you can add, just you have to add the billing links in your website, then any clients can able to purchase your services. Thanks for watching again, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you would like my video, and share on your social timeline.